Welcome everyone. In today's video, Canva has introduced Canva Docs, and it's available for free and pro users. So when you log on, you will be seeing a sign, sort of a small little notification that says, have you tried Canva? Have you tried Canva Docs? So you click on that. Now, some already have it on their homepage. You'd be able to see like a small icon. Now, in my case, I've now in my case, it came out as have you tried Canva Docs? So I clicked on it, and this is what came up. So it says a warm welcome to Canva Docs. We're very excited to have you here. We hope you enjoy using Canva to create beautiful documents. Now, and I've gone through this. So here it says meet the plus button. With our handy plus button, you can easily add anything to your page, checklists, charts, graphics, and much more. So you have two versions. For desktop users, just click on the page and it will pop up on the left-hand side and it will look like this plus button here. And if you're a mobile user, simply click the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. So since I'm using a desktop, I'm going to try that. And it says try it now. Click on the white space below, okay, and use either the plus or the magnifying button to bring up the menu and select any item to add to your page. So let's click here. So see, the moment I clicked, there was a plus button. So let me just click the plus button and it brings up a list of things that I can do here, okay? So let's just choose, for example, a checklist. So it shows the button, you see? So if I click again, and let's just say you want um, a line chart, and it shows you the line chart that you can embed. You can change the items here, you can change the names of whatever it is, and then the series, and it will show you that. Now that's pretty cool. So you can either edit it, and there it is. So you've got a line chart there, and then you've got a checklist. So you can add whatever it is that you want. So let's click again. And so you see that's the line chart. Now, of course, you can edit the series and the items. If you click it again, you've got designs, you've got magic write, you've got heading, subheading, body, embed, table, checklist, bulleted list, numbered list, emojis, pie charts, bar charts, line chart, timer, logos. Let's try the timer, see what it is. There it is. Cool. And you can stop it. You can reset it. You can minimize it. That's really cool. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is the try out the magic write. Now, this is really cool. I tried it out. It says kickstart your ideas with the help of Canva's Magic Write. Uh, Magic Write uses the power of AI, just artificial intelligence, to follow your instructions and generate original copy from scratch. The more specific your request, the better the results. And here are a few ideas, okay? So one is write a heartfelt poem about unsung heroes, or write a children's story about a rainbow and a cloud, or write a social media strategy for healthy cupcakes. So you click again, the plus sign comes up. So we click the plus sign, so we click on Magic Write. Now, what shall I write? Okay, just let me write. Write 5 tips on how to make money online. Then enter, and it's working. And here it is. Start a blog and monetize it with ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. Create and sell an online course. Build a niche website and sell advertising or become an affiliate. Provide freelance services. Oh my goodness, look at this. Create and sell physical products to an online store. Wow. Okay, let me just try again. Okay, it's Magic Write. So write a positive review on on some Japanese Food eaten at a restaurant. Let's see what it comes up with. It says, Japanese food is amazing. The sushi is so fresh and the tempura is crispy and delicious. The miso soup is also really good. I definitely recommend eating at a Japanese restaurant if you get the chance. Wow, that's really cool. So we've tried the um, add a checklist, add a line chart, then you've got add magic. You know what? Let's just try a poem. Okay, so click magic write. Write a nostalgic poem about um, childhood. Let's see what this comes up with. Wow, look at that. Childhood is a time of innocence, a time of wonder and awe. We start out life with so much to learn, and we have so much yet to explore. There's so much to see and do, and we just can't wait to try it all. Every day is an adventure, and we just can't get enough. We're always on the go, and we just can't slow down. We're always making new friends, and we just can't help but smile. Childhood is a time of innocence, and it's a time we'll always remember. Wow. Now, how many times have I said wow in this video? It's really good. Okay, next is easily add a design to your Canva doc. Okay, you can create and edit designs without leaving the page. This is super helpful if you want to include a graphic banner like the one above or some visuals in your doc. So again, so you click the button, you select your design away, and then click save. So let's do that. So click, let's click design. It's going to open up the Canva page. Wow, here it is. Okay, let's design something. Um, for the sake of doing things a bit, quicker. So let's do this and maybe we change that to contact us anytime. Um, blog. Okay, let's say this is it. We're okay with it. So we'll just click save and here it is. So you can open up your doc and you can do this. You can insert all of this. And they said you can even embed your Canva designs. Wow. I know I said I'll only do 1 to 3, but let's do number 4 as well. Okay. Embed your Canva designs. Embed other Canva designs and documents by copying and pasting the project link or just drag and drop them in. Wow. Try it now. Here's a Canva presentation we've embedded. You can double click on it to interact and click through the pages. Now try copy and pasting your own Canva link below. Let's try this. Double click to interact. So we're going to double click and there you go. So if you have a design that you already have or a video, you can just embed it. Wow. I'm so sorry, folks. I've been saying wow. I mean, this is really good. There are so many free online programs right now. There are, if you go through my tutorials, I've mentioned some of them, for AI generated pictures, drawings, photos, etc. I mean, you have AI generated resumes, all sorts of things, but this is all in one. And I will go through the rest in the second part. Actually, let's do it all here. So it says a bit of emoji fun. Write a word after a colon like this to search for an emoji via desktop. For example, colon party, and have some other words to try. Oh, okay. Type out star and see what you get. So let's click again, plus sign, and this was emoji. So let's go to emoji. That's emoji. Click that. So it says colon and then star. Wow. So let's click that. Let's see what happens. That's the star. Oh, let's. So you don't have to. You can just put a colon. So you don't have to click. You don't have to look down for the emoji. You can just do the colon and let's say hug. There you go. You have two versions. You have this and you have the other. So as I was mentioning, I mean, you can click and then you can, go look for emoji, but you don't have to. You can just do a colon, as they say, and then uh, I know some people will say a colon, however you want to pronounce it, and then you type what you want. And then the sixth and last one is invite your team to collaborate. Simply click the share button at the top of the page, which is up here, share, and invite anyone to join your Canva doc. You can also share feedback with your team with comments. Highlight, so it says right now, highlight this line of text, click the comment bubble that appears on the right side of the document, click to add your feedback and tag your teammates with @what's wow. And this is the share button up here. If you see, if you go share, it will say copy the link, and that's the link that you would have to send. You have to highlight the text, and then you click. So if you highlight this text, what happens is this bubble will come here, and then you have to put in your feedback, and then you tag your teammate with this link here with their name. And this is the share button up here. As some of you know already, and those who have gone through my tutorials, Canva has a text to image function. So where you can, you click this button, text to image, and it's free for all. And you put in a description of what you want, and it's going to come up with 4 different images. Now it is limited to I think 20 images per day because it's still in a beta version, but that's also really cool. But keep in mind that it's still in a beta version, so some of the images may not be as perfect as you would like. For that, for now you could go to something like OpenAI Dali's AI image generator. So I hope you like this, and please do check out my other tutorials, and especially one that the tutorial on text to image for Canva. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.